Hi everyone, my name is Jerry and I work as a sales representative for Yongming Machinery. I'm here to show you the amazing 5XF-2000-80 air screen cleaner that our company makes. This is a versatile machine that can do many things with grains, such as removing impurities, separating stones, and sorting by size and weight. It can make your grains cleaner and better quality. The 5XF-2000-80 air screen cleaner has two main parts, one set of wind-driven elevator and one set of main machine with a gravity table and a grading screen. The wind-driven elevator is where the grains enter the machine. It has a vibrating screen that gets rid of big and small impurities. Then, the grains are lifted to the gravity table by a feeder, which also removes stones and dust along the way. The gravity table can filter out light and whiz in seeds based on how heavy and dense they are. Finally, the grains that pass the gravity table fall onto the grading screen, which does the final sorting and cleaning. The 5XF-2000-80 air screen cleaner is the best choice for basic grain processing. The 5XF-2000-80 air screen cleaner uses advanced cleaning technology that can handle a lot of grains in a short time and increase your productivity. It can sort your raw materials efficiently, accurately, and reliably to ensure high-quality cleaning. The machine has multiple cleaning stages and relevant discharge ports, which can adapt to different types of grains and improve its valuation and versatility. The 5XF-2000-80 air screen cleaner is a versatile machine that can handle different kinds of grains and seeds, such as wheat, corn, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, melon seeds, and more. It can remove most of the impurities in the grain, such as dust, stones, and straw. The grain that comes out of the machine is clean and ready for further processing. The impurity content is less than 4%, which meets the high standards of the industry. The 5XF-2000-80 air screen cleaner is easy to use and move around. You can change the location according to your needs. The cleaning efficiency is up to 96%. The machine has a power of 11.5 kilowatts and can process 3 to 6 tons of grain per hour. It is a great choice for the primary processing of agricultural products. This is a brief introduction of the 5XF-2000-80 air screen cleaner. If you want to learn more about the machine, please contact us. We will be happy to answer your questions and provide you with more information. Thank you for your attention and see you next time.